Hello, my name is Eduardo Leiva Alarcón. I am 31 years old and live in the municipality de Chita, Boyacá. In my free time, I like to listen to music and series and occasionally go out dancing with my friend. In this video, I will share 5 of my daily activities, which are: 1. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning and get ready. 2. I head to work and make as many sales as I can during the day. 3. And flat work. I go exercise. 4. I went back from the wind. I take a chair and have dinner. The lie down to watch a series. 5. I check my social media to stay informed about happening in the world. I read and the joke about to activity I which I do with my family. When during the day we go to the countryside to weed or grain and put grass out for the cattle. 2. And night we share dinner while we talk about your own day went. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope you enjoy my itinerary.